The Access Tools Easy Off Twist Socket Set works like magic to remove all damage or locking lug nuts without a key. With our exclusive Sure Twist grip technology, locked wheel lugs spin off with no effort at all. These sockets grip locking lug nuts that other sockets cannot. With sizes to fit virtually every lug nut on the market, the Access Tools Easy Off Twist Socket Set is simple to use and works with an impact gun or breaker bar. The sockets are covered by a limited lifetime warranty, covering cracking or breaking. Never again shall locking lug nuts get the better of you when you have an Access Tools Easy Off Twist Socket Set.